Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, March 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Kiwi dollar. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. Don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to gain access to all the benefits listed below and more. So, anyways, so far we have been drifting up pretty decent so far this week. We had to keep in mind that the trend is down on this 1 hour time frame. Now, if we go back up to the daily time frame, I am definitely still very bullish. And I still think at some point it is going to break out to the upside, probably with a lot of momentum, and eventually start a big uptrend on the much higher time frames. But we are definitely in a move to the downside on the 1 hour. I mean, this is lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So if we get a nice break and hold above structure, then I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs for the continuation of the uptrend. But I don't really think that's what's going to happen. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. We really haven't hit a fib level yet. I think it's probably going to end up rejecting this structure and pushing down to the 78. And it possibly could even go down and take out this low and push down to like the 123 or the 138. So on the 1 hour time frame and below, I would be a little bit on the bearish side, maybe looking for another sort down to one of these key Fibonacci levels. But we have to keep in mind that the higher time frame is likely going to be in an uptrend at some point, and we are likely going to get an impulsive upper break of structure and the continuation of the bigger time frame uptrend. So definitely be ready for that while you're looking for sorts on these shorter time frames. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.